Compact and portable, this mini tabletop dishwasher is great for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, and boats. Its 6-place setting capacity allows you to wash a variety of dishes up to 10-inch in diameter, and it includes folding-down rack shelves and a cutlery basket. Versatile cleaning. Enjoy full-size dishwasher cleaning in a compact countertop unit. 7 wash programs offer heavy, normal, eco, baby care, glass, speed, and rinse, ensuring that all your dishes get thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. Extra drying function. This counter dishwasher machine can add extra heat to the final rinse to enhance drying results. This function is available on the heavy, normal, eco, baby care, and glass cycles. Easy to use and maintain. This portable dishwasher features a user-friendly display and simple controls, making selecting the perfect wash cycle for your needs easy. It features a quick connect assembly, with accessories and adapters included, to easily connect directly to your sink faucet. Farberware. From reliable aluminum and stainless cookware to the latest in hybrid ceramic non-stick technology, Farberware continues to bring durability, design, innovation, and value that makes it America's most trusted cookware brand. The Farberware Compact 6-place setting dishwasher works for small spaces like kitchens, apartments, RVs, and boats. Our portable dishwasher is designed to wash up to 6-place settings and fit dishes up to 10-inch in diameter. It includes folding-down rack shelves and a convenient cutlery basket. This portable dishwasher also features an extra drying function and comes with all you need to set it up and quickly get your dishes done easily.